What's up, everyone? Welcome to the Fosterman's stream. Let's get right into it. So yesterday, we went over the levels and stuff like that. Again. What are we looking for? You guessed it, footprint confirmation. So we're looking at this footprint chart and seeing whether we can enter or exit a trade. It's as simple as that. And if you're looking for this chart, it's in the Discord for free. So hop on over there, man. But the levels yesterday actually were decent enough, okay? Like, we hit down, we came down a little bit, right? But we got that break and retest. What did I always say? If it fails, wait on the retest. Okay, I would look at this as like kind of like a failed move, okay? Like, you're looking for like a deep retrace, a deep enough one, okay? Like 3 bars on the 3-minute chart is not a lot. So, yeah, and this would have been a sign, right? So like, not breaking this low, coming up again, hitting it, not breaking this low. That's what you're looking for, is a break and retest. And what do we always say? When a retest, we're looking to break these highs. Always. It's like a 70-80% chance of coming through. So yeah, there's pretty much that. And then we came down here, okay, hit this for the first time. Again, though, what do we see? We break these highs. So that was a really nice trade in itself as well. But yeah, we broke, retested, got a big wick retest. I don't really like them. This bar was a decent retest, right? Just this one right here. I would look at something like that. And then we broke again and retested again. So, you know. But let's get right into it. So we could remove them. Okay, because we do not need them. And we could look at these 5 minutes. So we can. So on the 5 minute, you know, we had this big, huge yeah. That's annoying. They're hard to trade. They really are hard to trade if you're not, so I'll just show you real quick. If you're not using something like this. Okay, so what you want to do is go to value area. And then what you're doing is literally longing the bottoms and shorting the tops. That's as simple as that. But that's some free sauce for you guys, some free sauce. Get this 5 minute mark. You know what? There's not really any 5 minutes that I would put my money on. Maybe this one down here. Maybe this one down here. Other than that, I don't really like it. Yeah. That's the way. That's the way the cookie crumbles, guys. That's the way the cookie crumbles. So we had a 5 minute right here. And I think that's going to be it for the 5. Just to keep it clean, you know. What is the point of muddying up a chart for subpar analysis? You know? I think we already have this one, actually. Oh, let me see. Yeah, we do. This one's already been tapped. This one has already been tapped. That was a really nice tap, though. That is literally going to be the only 30 minute that I would risk my money on, man. Okay, now we can look at these dailies and the weeklies. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Okay. This is gone. This weekly had a really nice break and retest, and if you actually go back and look at the thing I actually said about that, so as it was happening, this was like this could have been yesterday actually, and I was saying this in the time when this was happening. Okay, we already know there's no other ones, so we can just hide these up, and we can then go to straight up the potential plays, man. Okay. So that was at Asia. We can move that over to here. You know what? There's actually quite a few furls. Okay. I got one above, one below. And we'll change these to New York. Yeah, suggestions, guys. We need some suggestions to make these videos popping. So leave them down in the comments, because it does get a wee bit boring, right? Watching these sort of analysis. I know most of you guys just skip to the end. I could see it. Right. Let's get these on. Whoa. This is what we got. This is nice. This is where we got that rejection from, by the way. Yeah, just from up here. So that was nice. That was yesterday. Okay, that's I'd mark that out, POC. Oh no. Range POC on the 5-min. Plus a New York POC. A lot of you guys could actually leave these just levels naked. I personally don't. This is pretty close, but it's a point in difference. Why not? So we got a range POC on the 5-minute, and we got a Asia POC on just Asia, and then we got a previous week view up to add to that. So yep. I don't add these levels because it's still developing. Nice 2-pointer, right? I would actually, in this scenario, I'm actually going to mark. I was going to, but I checked and no, I'm not. So there's my POC and a New York POC. So you can already see that's marked up there. But we can keep this. No, keep that. That one away. Take that one away. So this is why you have to just double check, make sure you got all the right levels. Okay, so let's take all this off. Let's take it all off. And let's get these into the potential play folder. And let's just quickly run over the levels, okay? So screenshot that, add it to your chart. We got 34346, 3394 psychological, 33604, 33410 psychological, 32976, and 32428. That's going to be the levels for today. I'll see you guys in the next one, and peace out.